Hey guys, Steph here. So today I'm going to be going through the 5 designer bags that I would purchase again if I were to start my collection from scratch. Now, I ran this poll on the YouTube community tab and also on my Instagram page, and I asked which video you guys would like to see the most, and this one came out on top. If you would like to get involved in future polls like this to let me know what videos you would like to see, head over to Instagram, give me a follow. My handle is at handbag_holic, and you can also check out my messages and updates on the YouTube community tab. If you love designer bags and luxury in general, then you are in the right place. Make sure you join our Handbag Addicted family by hitting the subscribe button and the bell down below. To make this easier, I have categorized these bags. So I have got 2 designer work bag recommendations. One will fit a laptop, one will not. I've then got an everyday bag, an evening bag, and also the best all-rounder. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video, because I'm actually going to reveal out of these 5 which one will be my #1 choice if I were to start my collection all over again. So the first bag, this is the work bag which can just fit a laptop inside. This is the Louis Vuitton on-the-go tote bag. I've done some other videos if you want to see more details and outfit stylings on this bag, but yeah, I absolutely love this bag. It's fantastic. Some of the pros is that it can just fit a normal size laptop. It can't fit one of the larger size Macs in, the 16-inch I think they are. It can't fit that in, but because it's a tote bag, it does fit a lot inside there. But the thing I like about this, because this is quite a lot more expensive than the Neverfull, which is a very common choice for your first designer bag. The thing that I like about this is they're a little bit less common. You get the 2 different sets of straps with this, and it's just so structured, like it just looks fabulous. And it's almost a little bit like having 2 bags in one, because you can use it with this side here, or you can use it with the darker side. So depending on what outfit you are wearing, you can just flip this around. So I definitely think, even though this is more expensive, it's worth that extra bit of investment. This is one of my favorite bags that I know I'm not going to get rid of. This is the MM size. This is the medium size. They've brought this out in PM size, which is small. I think these are super cute, but in terms of practicality and like a bag that I would start a collection with again, I wouldn't purchase this one. It would be the MM size that I would go for. It also comes in a GM size, which is bigger than this one. I would only get that if you really need to carry a lot, because it's a big bag which can get incredibly heavy at the same time. So when they brought this one out, I knew I had to have it. So like I say, you get the 2 different straps. So you can hold it with the top handles like so, stand up here, wear it on the crook of your arm, and also you get these additional straps here. So you can wear it as a shoulder bag, which is definitely something that I really appreciate, and it just sits nicer than the Neverfull as a shoulder bag. The one thing I definitely would recommend if you are getting a larger tote bag like this is, because inside it is so big and you don't get any kind of additional pockets in there, is to get a liner. I will pop a link up here so you can head to the Handbagholic website and shop liners. This is a beautiful one which is not far off the red inside the bag. Such good quality. I can then throw stuff inside this bag, and if I get like any crumbs or pen lids fall off, any marks, it's going to mark my liner, not the lining of my bag. So I can't recommend a good liner for your designer bags enough. The second designer bag that I would purchase again would be another Louis Vuitton bag. It would be the Louis Vuitton Neo Noi bucket bag. I adore this bag. If you've watched any of my other videos, I do rave about this bag quite a lot, and it's because I put off buying this for years, and then I finally got it, and I actually used it and still do use it. It's one of my most used bags from Louis Vuitton. Now, if this is good if you don't need a laptop, because a laptop will not fit inside here. But the reason this is my second pick for work without a laptop is that I actually found myself using this for work the most. I also do use it as an everyday bag. It goes from day to evening quite well. I mean, it's not a super fancy evening bag, but more like a casual, you know, if you're going from work for like drinks after work or to meet a friend, this still looks really great and definitely has a place. So this is the monogram one with the black leather and gold detail. The best thing about this bag, you've got your strap there, which is black leather. So you can use it as a shoulder bag like so, but also you can unbutton the strap and also use it as a cross-body bag. So it's super useful for work. You know, if you're going out to meetings or anything, in here you can fit a big bottle of water if you stand it up. You can fit things like notebooks. You've got different compartments so you can keep everything safe. So let me just quickly show you the compartments inside. If you can see them there. So you've got your zipper compartment. This is where I would keep a purse and my phone inside there, and then in the two larger compartments either side I would maybe keep like notebooks in one side and then bottle of water and other little bits inside there. So I just find this bag, because it's got the 3 compartments, just so easy to use. You've got the strap there. Another great thing, I'm going to do a video on this soon actually, is that you can take the strap off. So if you don't like this thin black leather strap, or whichever colour you actually go for, you can put a different strap on this bag. So I would definitely purchase this bag again. Now for the third bag, and this one is perfect as an evening bag. You can use it as every day, but this is the YSL Sunset bag. Now, the reason I have chosen this, that I would definitely buy this bag again, is just how beautiful it looks. And also, I did debate whether to feature a Chanel bag here, because as an evening bag, I probably do gravitate more towards my Chanel bags now. But in terms of if I were to just pick 5 bags, because this one is less than half the price, even at retail, than a Chanel bag, I would go for a YSL Sunset bag, to be totally honest with you. They come in about 4 or 5 different sizes. You've got the wallet on chain, which is really small. This is the medium size. Then you also get a large, and I believe there might be an extra large. So you can get the right size for you. They come in loads of different colours. This is the black with the gold hardware. And yeah, there's quite a few ways, again, that you can wear this bag. So I think it's a fantastic investment. Definitely buy another one. Actually, I am debating buying another one. I would quite like a red one. But you can double the strap up and wear it as a shoulder bag. You could then extend it and use it as a much longer shoulder bag there. Because it can be used as a crossbody bag, it also does make a good everyday bag. Personally, I only use this more as an evening bag, or if I want to kind of smarten a look up. I don't think this isn't casual enough looking for me to wear every day, but I do notice people wear them as crossbody with some more casual looking clothes, and because it's quite classy looking, it definitely adds something else to an outfit. The fourth bag, which I think is one of the best everyday bags, is from Louis Vuitton. There's a reason it's Louis Vuitton, because Louis Vuitton canvas is so hard wearing that I think an everyday bag, it should be quite carefree. And I did debate picking the Chanel 19 for this, but I do think the Chanel 19 is an expensive bag, and if I were starting from scratch or getting my collection down to 5 bags, being realistic, I definitely use this bag a lot more. This is the Odeon bag, and this is the PM size, which is the smaller size. You can get a bigger one. It features the black leather with the gold hardware there, and it's just so easy to use. So I use this a lot to go out to the shops, or if I'm going shopping, or even if I'm actually going on a walk. It's just grab and go. Absolutely love it. I will pop my phone in the front pocket here, and a mask, because we need them at the moment. So I would put my phone in there, so I can just grab it. I can also put my car keys in there if I want easy access to them. Then when I'm not using them, I can just place them inside the main part there. It's just one big compartment. There is actually a pocket at the back there. You probably can't see that on the camera, but there is a pocket on the side. I do need to order a liner for this bag actually, because that will give me a few extra pockets to kind of keep it organized, because if you throw a lot into this bag, it probably could become a bit of a bottomless pit, and you'll be fishing around. Again, this is why I like the smaller size. But generally, I'll just take phone, keys, a purse with me, maybe a little bit of perfume, a few extra bits. So the PM size works perfectly for me, and I don't see the point in carrying extra weight. But it also fits a smaller size water bottle in, and you can lay it down this way inside the bag. This is a huge thing for me, because if I'm out and about shopping for a good, you know, few hours, I really like to have a bottle of water with me. It's my thing. This actually, I was going to pick the Neo Noi bucket bag, which I've already shown you, but if I'm being super real, I actually use that for work a lot more, and the Odeon for more casual everyday. And the same thing as the Neo bag, you can take the strap off this super easily. It takes like 1 second. So you could put a different strap on this bag. Now, I have ordered quite a lot of different bag straps for my bag. If you are interested in accessorizing, these are very cheap. You can get straps from Louis Vuitton, but these ones are more like fashion accessories. Then I'll pop a link down below to my Amazon store, where I've got things linked in there like my YouTube kit, but also lots of alternative straps to go on your bag. This is a frosted kind of plastic bag strap. And let me just show you how easy it is to place on here. So I've just clipped that on. You can get smaller ones as well, so you can just use it as a smaller strap. This is great if you don't want to overly use a strap either. And there you go. That is the bag with a different strap. So that's just another feature that I really love. The best all-rounder. I have had this bag in my collection for quite a long time now, many years. This is probably one of my oldest designer bags actually that's in my collection, and it's the Givenchy Antigona bag. The reason I've said this is the best all-rounder is because you can get this bag in 3 sizes. You can get the mini size, which I've actually got a mini version here. So this is a mini version of the bag. This comes with a crossbody strap, this one a detachable crossbody strap. So if you want a smaller bag, you can go for the mini. If you want a kind of in between these two, you can go for a small, and then you can also get the medium, which is great if you want to carry a laptop. This will easily carry a laptop. The reason this is a great all-rounder is you've got your top handles here to hold the bag. You can wear it on the crook of your arm like so, and you can also use the shoulder strap, which makes it super versatile. Now, I have used my Antigonas for many years for different scenarios. I use my medium for work, so again it does kind of double up as a great work bag, but it is a great all-rounder as well if you like to carry a whole lot of stuff with you. I did have the small one, which I actually took on holiday with me, and it was kind of my everyday bag on holiday. Just carry it around with me, again, get a bottle of water in there, and it just, the fact this bag is so structured, it just constantly looks really good. When I first got this bag, I was actually a bit unsure about the chunky zip, because it's a really big zip across the top. And I was like, is that a trend? Is that going to go out of fashion? I definitely don't think it has. I think this bag is just that classic looking that it won't. And then the mini version, which I've put down here, the mini version, I have taken this to concerts with me when we were allowed to do that, out for like every day when I was just going out and about. So yeah, I feel like as an all-rounder, the Antigona, because it stays so structured and just looks good all the time, and you've got the 3 sizes to choose from, is definitely a bag that I would buy again. Now, I mentioned at the start of this video that I would reveal the bag if I could only buy one of these 5 designer bags, or if I was to start a collection again, which one would I start with first? This has been a really hard decision because my head and heart say different things slightly. But I have come to a final conclusion, and the bag that I would buy first if I was to start a collection again would be the Louis Vuitton Neo Noi bucket bag. It's just so versatile and it really fits into my life. I think it looks quite nice and designer, you can tell it's a designer bag, but it also is quite casual, so it really goes with my kind of lifestyle. I love just grabbing and going with this bag. It's so easy, but it also looks really good. This is also one of the bags that I've probably received the most compliments when I've worn it. People have kind of said, oh, I really like your bag. Whereas if I was to take a Neverfull or a Speedy out, the more common kind of Louis Vuitton bags, this one's not seen quite as much. You often, you know, people have already seen them on 10 other people before they've seen them on you. So yeah, this one's definitely got the most comments and I love using it. Now, let me know what you think to the 5 designer bags that I would buy again. Do you think I picked the right ones? Have I missed a bag that you think would have been a better choice? And also, which bags would you choose? I would absolutely love to know. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you have found it useful. Make sure you don't go anywhere, however, because coming up next, I will link the video here for you and down below as well. I'm going to be taking you through my entire Louis Vuitton bag and purse collection. Enjoy.